Hey y'all, welcome to my small kitchen. I'm Okie, also known as Okie Storm Chaser, hence the tornado here. Today we are going to make what we call porch sauce back at my old restaurant. Down here we've got our mixing bowl, our whisk, pliable spatula. I've got some chili seasoning. I've got, set that aside. I've got Sweet Baby Ray's brown sugar and hickory barbecue sauce. I've got mayo. So these are our main ingredients. First off, you're going to take and measure out 1 cup of the mayo. This is a really simple sauce to make because it's pretty much equal parts on the mayo and the barbecue. And take your spatula and scoop the mayo out. When we're done with that, we can set it aside. Next up is the barbecue sauce. It's been sitting in the pantry for a minute, so I'd like to give it a quick tap and shake, which you can't see but you can hear. There we go. 1 cup barbecue sauce. Now for this sauce, I have found that a barbecue sauce that has a smoky flavor to it is best. Any barbecue sauce that you use will work, or anything that you have in it. Any barbecue sauce you have will work. For example, I've got one of the Made in Oklahoma barbecue sauces here, Head Country, which I love this sauce as a barbecue sauce standalone, but it does not have the smoky flavor that I'm looking for this particular sauce. And finally, you're going to take a ½ teaspoon of chili powder. If you want to spice it up, you can do cayenne powder or, anything spicier. I've just got regular chili powder. And we just clean our excess off our rubber spatula here with the whisk. Put that aside. And then you just want to mix it. Be sure to mind the sides so that you don't get clumps of mayo that aren't mixed through. And you want to make sure everything's incorporated really well. And there we have our dipping sauce. I particularly like this sauce for French fries, pretty much anything fried. Now, depending on the barbecue sauce that you use will determine how viscous this sauce ends up being. Some barbecue sauces are not as thick as others. If you're going to store this long term, you need to write the date on it. If not, if you're just going to eat it within the week, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. Alright, so that's it, guys. That was our porch sauce that I used to make at my old restaurant. It was a big time hit for all the college students, and I'm sure that it'll be a big time hit at your table as well. And y'all have a good day, and I'll catch you next time.